6 AI Tools to Make $500 a Month Online, Step-by-Step Guide. Are you looking for simple ways to make money online? With the power of AI, earning $500 a month has never been easier. In this video, we'll uncover 6 powerful AI tools that can help you create income streams and transform your side hustle into steady cash flow. Let's dive in. Number 1. ChatGPT is perfect for content creation. Use it to write blog posts, product descriptions, or even social media captions. Offer freelance writing services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Charge $30 to $50 per project, and completing just 10 projects a month will get you to $500. Pair ChatGPT with Grammarly to polish your content and stand out. Number 2. Jasper AI specializes in creating high-converting marketing content, from ad copy to email campaigns. Help small businesses write email sequences or product pitches. Charge $50 to $100 per campaign. Use Jasper's templates for fast and efficient content creation. Number 3. Canva now offers AI features like Magic Write for generating design ideas and content. Create custom graphics, templates, or ebooks to sell on platforms like Etsy. Design a bundle of social media templates to attract more customers. Number 4. Pictory converts scripts into engaging videos automatically. Start a video editing service or create explainer videos for clients. Charge $100 per video and complete 5 projects a month to hit $500. Offer voiceover services alongside videos for added value. Number 5. DALL-E creates stunning, custom art pieces based on text prompts. Sell AI-generated artwork as prints, digital downloads, or even NFTs. Platforms like Redbubble or OpenSea make it easy to monetize your creations. Bundle similar designs for themed collections. Number 6. Steve.ai makes video creation easy and professional. Use it to turn your scripts into polished videos with AI-generated visuals and audio. Offer this as a service to clients on freelancing platforms, charging $100 to $200 per project. You can also use it to create videos for your own social media or YouTube channel, boosting your income potential. These AI tools are a game changer for earning online. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to the Fortune Compass, and hit the bell icon for more tips on earning and saving smarter. Let's start building your online income today.